Before jumping in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. As much as we love plants around here, we wanted to take a different approach for this week's video. We wanted to talk to all of you about our favorite gardening products and how they can help your plants thrive. We don't want to gatekeep any longer, so stay tuned for a few inexpensive products that will make all the difference in your garden and/or houseplants. Let's start out with Perlite. Perlite is an excavated mineral rock that comes from volcanic rock or glass. Gardeners use perlite as an additive to their potting mix. Its main function is to help manage aeration and drainage. Its texture is very light and porous, which relieves the stress on your plant's roots by creating air pockets. Perlite assists in building strong root systems, which is why it works so well for seed starting and propagated cuttings. Perfect Plant's Perlite is all organic and sold in a 13 by 15 inch heavy-duty resealable bag. We're linking all the products mentioned in the description. Next on our list is Peat Moss. Peat Moss is another soil additive that is sterile, lightweight, and highly absorbent. Many gardeners love this product because it's a sterile growing medium, meaning harmful bacteria cannot survive within peat moss. Peat moss is such a great product to have around because of its high absorbency, which is why it works so well with sandy soils or clay soils. It stores water for the plant to use later. It also works great for plants that prefer more acidic soil, as it has a naturally lower pH. Add our peat moss to our organic potting mix for both indoor and outdoor plants. Garden Coir is an organic material that is made from the fibrous material from coconuts. It's very popular amongst gardeners because of its ability to ensure that the soil you add it to is able to maintain moisture while simultaneously preventing root rot. Garden Coir is often compared to peat moss, however, it can retain up to 30% more moisture. Our Garden Coir can be found on our Amazon store linked in the description. Next up is organic vermiculite. Though it's similar to perlite, vermiculite is a material that does not compost or break down and lasts much longer. It also allows for increased aeration, which provides more room for root expansion. This is especially helpful for containers without drainage holes. Vermiculite can be used for indoor and outdoor plants and is great for seed germination and rooting new plants. Last but not least, every gardener should have some horticultural charcoal on hand. Charcoal has detoxifying properties and cleanses and absorbs excess water. Essentially, it acts as a filter for your plants while retaining moisture. Charcoal is a great choice for terrariums, garden beds, and just as a soil conditioner. It can also be used as a quick fix for odors because of its absorbing properties, and can even be used in reptile cages. Perfect Plant's horticultural charcoal comes in a 4-quart bag that is available on our website. Check the description for the link. Gardening products can only help and enhance your planting experience, and it's a great step towards growing as a plant parent. Your leafy friends will thank you. Until next time, happy planting.